Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm David.
And I'm Anna. We are happy to learn English with you today.
This podcast is for English beginners.
We speak slowly. We use easy words.
Today's topic is favorite food.
We will practice easy English conversation.
Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe.
Great job for practicing English today. Food is part of daily life.
Yes, everyone eats food every day.
Talking about food is easy and fun.
Today, we will learn how to say your favorite food, talk about breakfast, lunch, and dinner, use simple food sentences.
No difficult grammar.
Only simple and useful English.
Let's start with a key sentence.
Repeat after me. My favorite food is...
Good job.
Examples. My favorite food is rice.
My favorite food is noodles.
My favorite food is pizza.
Very easy.
Now, your turn. My favorite food is...
Excellent.
Now, let's talk about meals.
We have breakfast, lunch, dinner.
For breakfast, I eat bread.
My breakfast is simple. I eat a banana.
Nice example.
For lunch, I eat rice and vegetables.
For dinner, I eat soup.
Repeat. I eat for breakfast.
Great job.
Now let's say what we like.
Repeat. I like.
Examples. I like chicken.
I like vegetables.
Now, I don't like.
Repeat. I don't like.
Example. I don't like spicy food.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
Food English is very personal.
Now let's listen to a short conversation.
Listen first, then repeat later.
Hi, Anna. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I eat a banana and bread.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food. I like simple food.
That sounds good.
Listeners, this is real daily English.
Some learners think food English is hard.
But it's not.
Short sentences are perfect.
You can say rice, chicken, banana.
Later, you can say full sentences.
Practice slowly.
Good job for trying.
Let's review today's lesson.
Today you learned how to say your favorite food, talk about meals, and use I like and I don't like.
Now it's your turn.
Community question. What is your favorite food?
Write one easy sentence in the comments.
Example. My favorite food is noodles.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Keep practicing English every day. Bye.